and welcome to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about Thane Sandra, one of the North Bengaluru's rapidly developing residential destinations, where L&T Realty is bringing an exciting new ultra-luxury residential development. So in this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with the project overview. L&T Realty's upcoming residential development in Thane Sandra is designed for home buyers looking for luxury, exclusivity and spacious living. The project will offer spacious 3, 4 and 5 BHK apartment with the towers planned as 2 basement plus ground plus 37 floors. One of the key highlights here is the low density planning, and there will be only 4 residences per floor served by 4 high-speed elevators. Now let's talk about the location. So Thane Sandra has emerged as one of the North Bengaluru's fast-growing residential and employment corridor. So Manyata Tech Park is approximately 10 minutes away, while Hebbal and the Outer Ring Road are around 15 minutes away. Nagavara Metro Station is also approximately 15 minutes away from the project. Yelahanka is around 20 minutes away. The location offers a good combination of connectivity and residential convenience. Coming to the lifestyle experience, so the project is planned with more than 20 premium amenities. Residents will have access to a 60,000 square feet luxury clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, indoor games room and multi-purpose hall. And now let's take a look at the configuration and pricing. So the project is planned to offer multiple 3 and 4 BHK sizes along with the 5 BHK residences. So smaller 3 BHK residences will range from approximately 1600 to 1700 square feet with prices starting from around 3 crore rupees onwards. The medium 3 BHK residences will be approximately 2100 to 2200 square feet starting from around 3.75 crore rupees onwards. For buyers looking for larger homes, the larger 3 BHK residences will range from approximately 2400 to 2600 square feet with prices starting from around 4.30 crore rupees onwards. Coming to the 4 BHK options, so the smaller configurations will be approximately 3100 to 3200 square feet starting from around 5.75 crore rupees onwards. The medium 4 BHK residences will be approximately 3400 to 3500 square feet with prices starting from around 6.50 crore rupees onwards. 5 BHK residences are also part of the planned offering with their detailed specification and pricing expected to be announced. And please note that these prices are indicative and can vary depending on the inventory, floor, view and applicable charges. This project is definitely an interesting option to explore in North Bengaluru. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.